Welcome to the Bulls Magnet Academy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process on how you can start and profit from binary trading. But before I continue, please kindly note that I'm not a financial advisor and that trading can be very volatile and risky and you can lose money from trading. Okay, so it will be better you consult your financial advisor before you get started on this. Now, having said this, I would like to show you interface of this Quotex broker, okay, where you'll be trading. This is the platform where you'll be having your binary trading. Okay, so by now you should have been done with your registration, okay, and then doing your KYC. Now that your KYC has been approved, all you need to do is to go ahead to set up your Quotex platform, okay, ready for trading. Now let's go. First and foremost, one of the first things you are going to do is to set up your time zone. Okay, now look at this face here that looks like a person. Okay, you click on it for you to set up your time zone. Okay, now once you click on it, you scroll down. Once you click on it, you scroll down. Okay, once you scroll down, you get to this space. Now you see this drop down. Okay, you click on the drop down. It is already set on UTC -3. Okay, so yours may not be there, so you scroll down and then get it to be UTC -3. Once you are done with that, you go back, you click on this space, okay, and then you go back to the page. Okay, now once you are back to this page, take a look at this page. Okay, now this place is where you see the trading pairs. Okay, you've got different trading pairs here. When you click on this drop down, you will see that there will be a lot of trading pairs right here. This is where you choose your trading pairs, according to the signals that is provided for you or according to what you want to trade at a time. All right, now as a beginner, you must pay attention to all of these things because it will help you to set up your interface for trading, okay, because it's part of things you have to do to be very profitable. All right, now in case you are watching this from YouTube, do well to subscribe to my channel and then don't hesitate to drop me a message in the comment section. Now let's move on, guys. So what you do next is take a look at this place. This is up and this is down. Okay, now when you want to buy, this up indicates what? Indicates you buying as it's going up. Now down indicates what? Sell. Okay, that's exactly how this works. Okay, now then you look at this place. Here is the timer. Okay, whenever you see any trade that you are entering your signals, it has different timers. Okay, you can see 1 minute, you can see 15 seconds, you can see any of the timer. The period that you want to trade for, is what is that timer. Okay, sometimes it might be 5 minutes, it might be 2 minutes, it might be 1 minute, it might be 30 seconds, depending on what you want to do. Okay, that's where you get the timer. Then this is where you add the amount you want to use to trade. The least you can start with is $1, or when you are trading with the Nigerian naira, okay, then you will be trading with 1,500 naira. Okay, but for here you can easily increase this by clicking the plus sign. Okay, it will increase. Plus sign. If you want to use $5, it will increase. Okay, and that's how it is. And if you want to just add the money directly, you just tap it and then you can add whatever amount you want, like 10, like this. Okay, and then you are done. All right, then let's go over to this place right here. Whenever you want to trade, assuming we put up a trade now, once you put up a trade, this is where it will show where you got this place. You click on it, you see the trade here. Because there is no trade running, there's nothing here at this moment. You can see trades is equals to 0. Okay, 0 number of trades. So let's move on. Now we need to look at how to set up our indicators. How to set up your indicators, okay, is part of the interface. Now you click on these 3 dots here. Okay, click on the 3 dots here. You can see, but before you get started on this, okay, now look at this space here. Okay, this is where some tools that will enable you to draw on the system. Then don't worry about that place, but go straight to where you have your candles. Set your candles to be on Helkin Ashi. All right, Now it's already on Helkin Ashi, as you can see. Now this is it. Okay, this is the candles. All right. Now you go back there again and click, because you want to set up your indicators so that it will be well aligned to help you to be very profitable when trading. Make sure that you have this to be on 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Now you click on this very icon here, the last icon. Now you click on that last icon, then you look forward to see moving average. Okay, guys, look at this moving average. You click on it once, and then you get to this page. Okay, once you click on it, here you add this place to be 7. Okay, you make it to be 7. All right, now leave this place to be SMA. Okay, the moving average SMA, leave it like that. Now choose the color to be let's say pink. Okay, where is pink? Choose pink. All right, then increase the color intensity or make it thicker, just like this. Okay, and you are good to go. All right, once you are done doing that, remember this is 7, period is 7, the SMA is there, color pink, and then increase that intensity and then click OK. Once you are done, look at the OK here sign, the OK sign, you click on it. Boom, you can see that now. All right, then you go back again by clicking this place. You click that button again. Okay, just follow through. Then you go to that moving average again. All right, tap on it the second time. All right, this time around, what are you supposed to do at this time? Put the period to be 3. Okay, put the period to be 3. Let's see. Okay, period to be 3, and then put this color. The color now should be blue. Okay, let the color be blue. All right, and then increase it a little like this, and then click OK. So you go ahead to click on this sign again. Click on this sign, then go back here. Go back here. All right, once you go back there, you will see what is known as what? Zigzag. See this zigzag. Okay, click on the zigzag. All right, now once you click on the zigzag, just change the color to yellow only. Leave every other thing as default. Okay, and then change this color to what? To yellow here. Okay, and then click on OK. You can see that, guys. So click on that. It is okay. Now the next thing you are going to do is to go back to this page again. All right, then click that icon. All right, and then look forward to see fractal. This is fractal, guys. Okay, click on fractal. Now there's something you need to do here. Leave it on default, but just click on OK. All right, click on OK. Just leave it the way it is. Just click OK. All right, now you are done with that. Okay, go ahead again and then click on this icon here, then click the last one. All right, look forward to see CCI. Let's go, guys. Let's go look at CCI here. Okay, then click on it. Just follow this video. The way to do this is that after watching this video, you watch it again, and while watching the video, you are carrying out this process. Okay, that is what you are going to do. So now you've chosen CCI. Now there are two things you need to do here. The main line column. Choose. Let's choose faded green. Okay, or this one. Let's choose this. Okay, all right, then the background color should be red. Okay, red, and that is it. Then click OK. Remember the period is 20 there. Just leave it, then click OK. Can you see that, guys? You can see how it appears now. You can see what is here, guys. This is amazing. You can see it. Okay, so this is what will lead you and guide you in whatever you are trading on this platform. Okay, so you can see now that you are done with your setup. Okay, this is the way to do your setup, and every other thing you are ready to go, guys. So make sure you watch this video again, and then when you are confused, you can always drop me a message. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to be talking about how you can buy and sell, okay, so that you can be profitable while trading as a beginner. I hope you are learning. I will see you in the next one.